Hey guys, today I want to show you the first tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Without any further ado, let's just get started. In this video, I will tell you about layering that many YouTube gamers use in the picture-in-picture technique, namely the type of layer where they show you the video game that are playing, and at the corner of the video they show you their reaction video. To do this, put the game clip into the sequence and place the reaction video above the video game. Now make the reaction video smaller by selecting your clip, then go to Effect Controls, click the drop down menu in Motion Effects, then make the scale smaller. Now change the position to where you want and done. It's a very easy to do and popular method.
Who's getting the eggs? Oh, there we go. Mid one got it. There we go. 12 minute, 10k net worth. Who is this guy? Mid one world record farming on Monkey King. World record right there. What is he doing? Just jump in. Oh my! Gave him an axe for this. Gave him an axe for this. Sepp is like, why the fuck did I just give him axe?
Okay, that's how to layering like YouTube gamers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoy, and if you like the video, please press the like, share, comment and subscribe buttons. See you on the next video.